Dalgona Candy, also known as Korean honeycomb toffee, is a traditional Korean street snack. This candy became globally famous after featuring prominently in the Netflix series Squid Game. The candy has a light, caramelized flavor and a crunchy texture. After melting sugar in a ladle, pressing the mixture flat with a stamp or mold to imprint a shape before it hardens. Choose your difficulty level, and don't get eliminated. Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents Dalgona Candy Honeycomb. Have you finished the watching Squid Game? Come and try this Dalgona game. Brush some oil on parchment paper. Grease lid 2. Take 1½ tablespoon brown sugar in a ladle. Heat over low to medium flame. Continuously stir and keep scraping the edges to prevent burning or until there are no lumps. Let the sugar melt completely. Add pinch of baking soda. Don't add too much. Otherwise, there will be air inside. Stir well 10 seconds. You can have fluffy dalgona. Pour immediately onto baking paper and wait for 10 seconds. Then flatten it gently with any jar lid, glass or cake tin. Press down 10 seconds. Honeycomb hardens quickly. Choose your difficulty level. Any cookie cutter. Press 2 to 3 seconds. Don't cut through completely. Repeat the same procedure for all. Keep stirring till sugar dissolves completely. Add pinch of baking soda. Once fluffy, remove on baking paper. Press it with the lid. I'm using a flower-shaped cutter. Let it cool. It hardens quickly and pick it up. Pour the foamy mixture and flatten it. I don't have an umbrella and triangle cutter. Those molds are most difficult. I'm using this instead of cutter. Pour mixture and flatten it. Don't cut through completely. Let the candy harden completely before peeling it off the parchment paper. It's time to play the Dalgona challenge. This needle is harder to handle than I thought. You can do this without a needle. It's very simple, no need to use saliva. I used to eat this toffee at my school time. I'm nostalgic with this. It tastes similar. Do try this super delicious recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. Thank you. Don't get eliminated. It's fun trying to compete with friends. You can also add it to coffee, milk or cake. It's done less than 3 minutes. They spent 10 minutes stressing over this. Can be kept in an airtight container and refrigerate for 1 month. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.